In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add members to your Circle.so community. This tutorial will take you step by step through the process, ensuring you know exactly what to do, whether you're adding a small group or inviting a large batch of new participants. Let's get started by logging into your Circle.so admin account. If you're not already logged in, navigate to the Circle.so login page and enter your credentials. This step is straightforward but essential since you need admin access to invite new members. Once you're logged in, and on your dashboard, look to the left sidebar where you'll see a host of options. Find and click on the Members link. This will take you to the area where all current members are listed and where you can manage invitations. Next, look for the Invite Members button, typically located at the top of the Members page. Clicking this button opens up a form where you can start entering the email addresses of the people you wish to invite. If you're inviting multiple people, simply separate each email address with a comma. This makes it easy to handle bulk additions without having to send individual invites one by one. Now here's an optional yet powerful step. You can assign roles or access levels to your new members before sending the invitations. This feature allows you to designate roles such as member, moderator, or admin. Assigning roles in advance saves time later and ensures that your new members know their level of interaction within the community right from the get-go. Once you've finished entering all the information, click on the Send Invites button. This action triggers an email invitation to each address you entered, inviting them to join your Circle.so community. If you want another way to share the invite, there's also an option to copy invite link. You can paste this link into an email or your website, making it accessible to potential members who can click to join directly. After sending out invites, it's a good idea to verify that the invitations were received and accepted. Go back to the Members section and navigate to the Pending Active tab. Here, you can confirm if your new members have successfully joined the community. This final step gives you peace of mind, ensuring that your invitations were successful. And there you have it, a complete step-by-step guide on how to add members to your Circle.so community. By following these steps, you can effectively manage your member list and effortlessly grow your circle. Thanks for joining me today, and happy community building.